So LVR stands for loan to value ratio, and it's essentially how much you can loan or borrow against the value of your asset. So if we break that down a little bit, if you were an individual and you wanted to buy a house and the house costed $100, you could go to the bank and the bank would require you to stump up with 20% or $20 of that $100 to purchase it, and the bank would loan you $80 or 80% to make up that $100 to purchase a house. So in that scenario, the LVR or loan to value ratio is 80%. Through our trust deed, we have a self-imposed loan to value ratio of 30%. So what that means is if the tribe wanted to buy a house that costed $100, we would go to the bank and we would have to stump up with 70% or $70, and the banks would only lend us 30% or $30 to buy that $100 asset. So you can see from those two scenarios that there's quite different loan to value ratios. With us, we have a self-imposed 30% cap, whereas if you're an individual and you went to the bank, then you could loan up to 80%. But LVRs are really important mechanisms to have, because they help you manage your risk. So when we were deciding and considering the idea of lifting the LVR from 30% to 40%, we undertook an independent review, and we had really astute business people support us with that to determine if the lift from 30% to 40% was reasonable, to assess how risky it was, and to assess if we were on par with other organisations that are like us involved in the type of business that we are in. And the independent review determined that it was reasonable, and moving from 30% to 40% would put us on par with other organisations like ourselves.